Now, welcome back to the 14th HTML tutorial of how to code in Pidgin English. For inside this tutorial, we're going to discuss about Fieldset and legend. So Fieldset na just rectangle wey dem dey use to group other codes together, and legend na just simple design wey dey make that rectangle make sense small. So legend dey have small style for inside that Fieldset, and the two dey work hand in hand. So wetin I go do now be say I go first do Fieldset, because that one na the rectangle wey dey group other codes together. Just like every other tag, I go just type Fieldset. Now inside this Fieldset, I go just paste all the code wey I wan make e dey inside one rectangular shape. So wetin I go just do be say I go just come up here, copy this code and paste it inside here, inside Fieldset. So I go gats need indent this one forward. So if I save this information now, come go back to my browser and reload our website. Now you don see say this information now don dey inside one rectangular shape. You dey see am? As e dey like this form now, e don dey inside one rectangular shape. So to come add our legend now, I go just come here, type legend. Inside our Fieldset, I go use the legend tag, and I go just talk say this is a legend. So I will save this information now, come go reload our website. See am? So as e be say we don discuss about Fieldset and legend for inside this tutorial, na so e go be. I go see you for the next tutorial where we go dey discuss about audio.